Well, it's about 8 o'clock, and there's a super lull in the storm right now. There's like not a tree moving. This is the porch. I had everything kind of lined up here. If the rain didn't even reach by the wall on this side. I got a bunch of broken branches on the tomato plant. And I couldn't believe it, but in the height of the wind, I could see the hummingbirds coming and eating up and actually hanging on to the feeder. I was amazed. One was standing there for at least 2 minutes, and I don't know how he didn't blow right off. Most of the plants look pretty pounded, but that's okay because everything is still standing. And this holly tree has about 1,000 sparrows in it. It's very eerie because 2 seconds ago the trees were just about bent in half, but not now. And I did see a jogger this morning, amazing as that is. Getting some visitors.